So if you want to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on your Android, well, it's quite easy to do. You can do this with any files, with photos, with music, with any kind of media. So first of all, open up your Files application, of course. Here we are. Now, choose the desired file. For example, you want to move some pictures. So hold your finger on the picture and press move. And for example, we also want to move some music as well. Let's hold it and let's press move as well. So you can choose more of the things. However, now let's find our SD card and simply press move here. There is our file. You can move it to any kind of folder inside of that SD card. Let's move this picture, right? So let's press move. Let's find our SD card and let's drop it like right here. And basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.